Hey everyone, this is Ed Brzee with Boomer Tech Adventures. Today I'd like to take a look at a really neat feature in iOS 12. I'm using it illustrating it on my iPhone 6S, an older phone, but it still works real well. I'm going to open up my Photos app, as you can see down at the bottom, with one touch. And as you look across the bottom, you'll see four different tabs. The first one is Photos. The second one that we're going to be talking about is entitled For You, and it's in blue. That means it's active. That's the one we're going to take a look at. The former iOS 11 last year had a section here called Memories. So it's a little confusing because there's still a Memories subcategory under For You, as you can see right here. And the Memories section is based on people, places, or events. You can see, for example, here's Halloween 2017. There's a December 13th. If we looked at some of the others, we would see some crazy things down here. My wife's birthdays, four-legged friends, and so forth. But these are all memories. This is all auto-generated content, just like in each of the other subcategories. And it puts your videos and your photos together into little slideshows. So it's very cool. It's a lot of fun. All of these are totally editable. You can take out, you can add photos or videos and music too. So the Memories section is the first subcategory under For You. I'm going to just scroll through them kind of quickly. The second one is Featured Photos, and you can take a look at those. Then we get into the album activity. The first one, here's a shared album that I shared with a son and his wife. Recent activity about that album. Sharing suggestions, some more recently shared, and then effect suggestions. So these are all sections that you can have access to. They are the photos and videos that you've taken on your phone already, and Apple has put them together in different categories for you. So if I touch, for example, on this first one, January 27, 2015, it'll be photos from that day, and you can see it when I touched on it. It added the little play button on the right hand side. And then, as I said, these are all editable. I can add photos, I can take photos out, I can add music, change music, make it longer, make it shorter. That's the For You section in iPhone iOS 12 Photos, the Photos app. Very creative. Take a look, play around with it. Don't be afraid to try things out. This is Ed Brzee with Boomer Tech Adventures.